You can use the library catalog to access your account, which lets you see the items you have checked out, find out when they're due, and look at other useful information. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Click the My Account link above the search box. If you already happen to be signed in, you'll be taken directly to your account. If not, you'll see a screen with a notice letting you know that you'll need to sign in. Click the button and enter your OKey credentials. After signing in, your account screen shows everything you've checked out. This includes physical items such as books, but also electronic resources that you may have checked out. Each entry shows some useful information, such as item type, publisher, author, status, call number, and when the item is due. Click Due Date to sort your loans by ascending or descending order. Finally, click Renew to extend the length of a loan. Your account shows other useful information as well. Click your account menu at the top right of the screen to see projects, saved items, loans, alerts, and more. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.